Creating a landing page on AWeber is a great way to capture leads and grow your email list. Here's a step-by-step guide to building one. Log into your AWeber account. Go to AWeber and log into your account. Navigate to landing pages. From the dashboard, click on landing pages in the main menu. Choose a template. AWeber offers a variety of pre-built landing page templates. Browse through the templates and select one that fits your needs. You can preview each template before selecting it. Customize the template. Once you choose a template, you'll be taken to Drag and Drop Editor. Here you can edit text, change the headline, subheadings, and content to match your offer. Add images. Upload your logo or other relevant images. Customize colors and fonts. Adjust the color scheme to align with your brand. Add forms. Include opt-in forms to collect subscriber details. Set up your thank you page. AWeber allows you to create a thank you page that your subscribers will see after submitting their information. You can redirect them to a URL or show a custom message. Publish your landing page. After finalizing your design, click Publish to make your landing page live. AWeber will provide a unique URL for your page, which you can share on social media, emails, or ads.